Hello everyone and welcome to Technomirror channel. This is Amir and today we will start with Android Studio Java, not Kitolin, not Flutter. We will start with Android main activity. Our lesson today is how to set or how to use WebView to your website, your blog, anything you want. Okay guys, we will start with the new project. We will start selecting a template. Of course, we will use an empty activity. The name, I will rename it as test3. The language, as I told you in the intro, I will use the Java. Finish, and let's wait to initializing the Gradle, initializing the main activity, and so on. As you can see guys, this is our main index of the project, which is main activity in Java. We will start with the main activity.xml, activity main. We will go in the top and let's see what we have got. We have text view. First of all, I'm gonna use the web view. I should delete this. Okay, deleting this and add something from widgets called web view. Drag and drop anywhere in your desktop. Before we close the activity main, we should have two things. The first thing, we will make an ID for the web view. We will call it web. The second thing is to change the layout. I will change it for line. Wait a minute to let the code read it. Liner layout. Okay, we have an Android ID called web, layout, width and height, and absolute the X and Y. Okay. Next thing, we will go to Android manifest to enable the internet access. Android manifest. We will enable it by using, wait a minute, user permission, Android name, user permission, internet. Close the tag. With that, you can use your Android app with the internet. You given access, permission to access to the internet connection. Okay, we will go to main activity.java. We'll have some simple line of codes. This is about, let's start with WebView. Wait a minute, the W is capital. WebView, let's override it, equal find view by ID that we wrote, r dot id dot, the ID that we wrote is web. Okay, next lines of code, we will write WebView dot set WebView client. Set WebView client. We will say new WebView client. They recommend that for us. Next, WebView to start getting settings. Set script enabled for the permission of internet access. Dot get settings. Dot set JavaScript enabled. We will write true. Okay, the last thing is to load the URL that you need or that you want to view it in your web view layout from widgets. Load the URL and start writing your URL. I'm writing my YouTube website channel, which is youtube.technomirror.com. Okay. The last thing, if you have an AVD or what we call it simulator, but I'm using my own phone. I will hit build or run, waiting for Gradle to be built. We will see it in the launcher of our phone as soon as it finished building the Gradle. Okay guys, as you see, this Gradle has been finished building with 1 minute and 48 seconds. Okay, as you can see here, our program is starting and loading successfully. When you go back, you can see test 3 application. How do we change the background of that? We will change the background in next video. I hope you enjoy. I'm Amir from Technomir, and see you.